in this video, we are going to show you how to summarize text using Flowith.io. Now, there are two ways to do this. If you have a file, say a PDF with a wall of text or a document, you can just click on this option here. It says upload files or images. Or if you have copied a wall of text and you want to summarize it using Flowith, it's quite simple. All you do is go to the prompt and say, I want you to summarize the text below, and then paste it and press send, and Flowith will now practically summarize everything, right? It might take some time depending on how long, right? And as you can see here, it is now reasoning, right? It is now doing the summary. There you go. Reasoning process. If you want to see that, and this is pretty much what they're doing, right? And this is practically about Japanese racing, horse race underdogs, practically, right? So it's now done everything, right? And it even gives you an image over here, a chart, which is pretty cool, right? So if you want to see it in view, press E or click on this. So distribution of underdog archetypes, right? So, and the funny thing is, you can actually, not funny, cool thing and funny thing is, because it's amusing, you can hover your mouse here and you can just click on them to see more information, which is insane. So yeah, that is how, if you do this, there we go. This is a summary, right? We're gonna go over here. This is the summary. Late bloomers, there you go. So that is how you summarize a wall of text or just any document that has a lot of words in Flowith. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.